right, good morning guys. It's Saturday morning, long weekend, May 24. So we're gonna have some content for you today. I'm gonna go to our favorite little mud pit on the backside of my property and we're gonna bury the 700. But first, I got work to do. I got pieces of wood that floated in over the high water in the spring. So we're gonna hook the 700 up to a trailer. I'm not gonna film that because it's boring. We're just gonna get right to the mud. But I got work to do first. So we're gonna do some work with the 700 first, and yeah, let's get down to the mud pit and let's go play. We'll see you there. All right, guys, we are at our favorite sippy hole, what I like to call a sippy hole. It's really just a mud hole. Last time we were here was like 8 years ago with you guys anyways, with the 2012 450. So now we're back with the 2022 700. And we're gonna put it to the bar in the mud and see what it does. So we'll try to keep this video short. I know that holding the audience retention has been a problem with the channel. So I've been looking at the analytics last night. So we're gonna try to improve the audience retention. So anyways, let's get cammed up. Let's get right to it. Let's get in the mud. See you in a minute. Here we go. All right, guys, so that's it. that's what she does. There's a problem with the rev limiter. It hits the rev limiter in reverse with the override button pressed, so the dealership has to go take a look at it. But anyways, guys, it's all I'm gonna have for you for this week. We're doing a lot of work at the cottage, so we're just on the back part of the property now. I can't tell you exactly where we are because it's a secret. But anyways, we got the bike nice and dirty, so we're gonna go back to the cottage now and entertain guests. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.